Yeah, I got a little phone app right here, so take a look at this. So I'm just going to click on that, click, and then this will take it and change it, and now it says Fish Street in Chinese. I'm going to do it again with the Portuguese one. There's the Portuguese one, so that says Salted Fish Street. So the Chinese word is Fish Street, and the Portuguese one is Salted Fish Street. Rua de Peixe Salgado. So that's the name of the street that I'm on, and we're going to just take a look at it. I'll give you a little 360. In a minute, we're going to go down by that Amma temple down there, and we're definitely going to focus on this beautiful street, and we're just going to go down and do a little alley over there as well. And there's another little fish right there, Club de Pesca de Barra. And we're not too far from the Moorish temples, which is right up there as well. So let's focus on our street, the street of the salted fish. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So there we are on the street of the salted fish. Got that beautiful blue building that always kind of resonates well. Up here there's some construction, so they're doing some construction up there, and this is what's it called again? Posada de Barra. So we're in Barra and Amma temple, and I did another video recently where I did this Moorish temple right up there, so you can see that. Get a little bit closer, better context. Then we're going to be focusing on the street of the salted fish, but that's the Moorish temple right there. So a long time ago there was people from India, from Goa, India, which is also Portuguese, like Malacca, Malaysia, and here, Macau, and also parts of Africa. Ooh, a lot of construction. So that Moorish temple used to overlook the water, but now of course it overlooks all these buildings. So we're on the street of the salted fish. That's Posada de Barra. That's kind of an interesting design of a place here too, architecturally. But our focus is going to be, that's Amma temple down there. We're going to walk down there in a minute. Our focus is going to be street of the fish salted. And I usually think of bacalhau, ya, like a codfish, which is also salted too. Let's see if I can run across here. A lot of traffic right here. So there we go. So that's the building from this angle. Got a nice balcony right there, and then up there there's a rooftop, which looks like it's abandoned. This one I think is abandoned as well. The red one is in use. So we're gonna go over that way, but we're gonna walk down this way first. We're also gonna head over into this alley right here. So this alley is called the Beco de Salted Fish, and they have restaurants in here, or one restaurant. I think we're going to go all the way down to where that construction is at, which is we're basically on the other side of it, and we're in an alley first. It's kind of loud, but we'll just walk down it anyways. There it is. So actually, I guess they're still constructing all that, so that's the other side of it. Pretty loud. Okay, so we're going to continue down the street of the salted fish. So that's that kind of construction site. They've been working in that for at least 5 years, maybe, but quite extensively the last few years. Got a restaurant right here, and they cook it right there. So this is Beco's like a little alley. Okay. So we are going to walk all the way down. Then we're going to walk across in a minute as well. Lots of tour groups around this area. There's more construction work. So there we go, street of the salted fish. So that's that focus street right there. And we're also going to do Amma temple as well. So there's more construction here on this corner, and then this whole road goes all the way to the north here, and goes, here it is. Rua de Amaran Sergio is the name of the street. And that goes down to Barra, all the way down. So that's the target street right there, Salted Fish Street. And we're just gonna go around and show you Amma Temple, which was right to the other side as well. I think they're all coming out of Lorca. I think they were pharmacies, so a lot of mainland Chinese tourists will go to the pharmacies, so probably what they're coming out of. But this is a famous restaurant, Lorca. It's not open until 12:30 at lunch and 6:30 in the evening. And it's closed on Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. So this is a pretty famous Portuguese restaurant. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna head this way. And we're gonna come around to Amma on this rainy day. Got that beautiful green building right there as well. And Amma is right over in the background, so we're just gonna try to capture it from an angle. And I'm gonna try to capture this sign as well. But this is called Lago de Pagoch de Barra. Square of the Barra Pagoda, which is Amma Temple. Got that beautiful green building right there. And that goes up into the mountains. Penny Hill is up that way. We're gonna walk all the way through that in a second. And then you can also see a Peixe right over there, like a little pier, pont. Pont Peixe de Barra. And then this actually goes into the Panoramica Avenue of Lago Saivan. Saivan Lake is right over there. And so is Barra, the news train station, Maritime Museum, which is right there. Amma Temple, which is right there. Penny Hill Church is up there. That green building, I forget, there's some, and then some of the residential parts. So that was our target street that way. Okay, got a temple right there. That red one. It's pretty common to see as well. It's pretty cool. Let's just go right up to it here. So there we go. It's kind of cool. It looks kind of cool like that, and then the maritime houses. And then over here, there's a lot of older guys that hang out here. And the shoes are, those are like, I used to buy shoes like that. I don't know, you saw that, right? This kind of look like Kung Fu style shoes, but they're actually like more like peasant shoes. But I used to buy those too because I thought they were like so cool. But they're like they're really cheap, like $4 or $5. You can buy them in the marketplaces, and I think they come out of mainland China and they don't last very long when you wear them. Maybe you saw those shoes. Lots of tour groups in here. Our street was a Salted Fish Street, and I think because of that, I'll probably end it maybe closer to here. That's Amma Temple. Lots of tour groups everywhere today. And then we are going to just come back here. And then the street of Salted Fish is down there. So that's basically where we started at. Got that beautiful green building right there as well. And that's Calçada de Barra, and then that's the Rua de Peixe Salgado, street of the fish, salted fish. And I guess in Chinese this is called Street of the Fish. And if you're curious, we had a big typhoon in 2017 here, and the water levels You know, so now if they say, oh, it's going to have like 3 meters of water, then we know exactly where it's going to be, or 2.5, and they have these all over the city. Okay, so that was the street of salted fish. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.